So the biggest difference between Lego and Chinese building blocks, many would say, price. And did you ever wonder the actual pricing difference between the two? As I dive into the sets from both sides, they don't share much in common in terms of themes, actual design, and the specific parts, which makes such comparison hard to carry out. Well, I'm not talking about knockoffs. Plus that, minifigures, instruction, package, license, and some other elements are taken into consideration when prices are being set. It's quite impossible to know the overall price difference between the two. But in this video, I'm gonna clear them out, pick 3 classic sets, and compare the actual prices of the most important parts in the package, the bricks. This video is presented in English because it's for YouTube audience as well. You may find more of my engagement on Bilibili, and for the conclusion, you may reach it here. So here are the sets I pick. First, Bugatti Chiron released in 2018. I didn't choose the latest Ferrari Daytona SP3 because Lego actually put way more marketing efforts into Chiron, and in theory it got more ownerships than the one for Daytona SP3. Second is to be the typewriter released in 2021. Set voted from Lego Ideas deserves a seat here. Plus that, no minifigures are included. It makes such comparison a lot more sense. Lastly, I picked Monkey Kid Ultra Mag released this year, which includes 6 minifigures as well. Monkey Kid is the theme designed for players from both East and West, and the Ultra Mag is supposed to be the flagship product of the series, right? As for the method, parts list of specific sets was extracted from a brick book first, then uploaded to GoBricks, one of the biggest Chinese building blocks brick suppliers. However, not all Lego pieces have corresponding parts in GoBricks system, so I'm gonna check them out using the most common online shopping platform, Taobao, in China. As for parts with stickers, are gonna be replaced by original bricks without stickers. And there you go. I made a grid so everything's clear for you. Chinese yuan and US dollar are switched based on the currency rate on November 4th. Different from Lepin and other knockoffs long ago, which could price as low as 1/10 of the corresponding Lego set, the bricks provided by GoBricks from China now price around 1/3 to 1/4 of the corresponding Lego bricks. GoBricks is not a knockoff brand, but legal, and I should say the biggest brick supplier to several first-tier building blocks brands in China. I tried to find the part list of AMG1 designed by Bruno Jensen. This incredible mark has been packaged into product by Kata with proper licenses from Mercedes and Michelin, but I got no files. The comparison based on this one would make a lot more sense to you guys when taking license into consideration. This set is priced as 1,900 RMB in China, which equals to around 260 US dollars, but it's priced at 166 bucks in overseas market when launched. So what do you think about the overall differences? Share your ideas in the comment and hit me a subscription so I may bring you more about the interesting stuff here. Stay tuned.